Excellency Hailemariam Desalegn, former Prime Minister of Ethiopia, Excellency Wang Shuakun, Chairman of West China Cement, Zhang Jimin, Chairman and CEO of West International Holding, Wang Fein, senior officials and business leaders, I'm honored to join you today for the launch of AnJia cement factory. To begin, I would like to thank the People's Republic of China for being a long-term partner of Rwanda. And let me thank you, my brother, friend, Hailemariam, for the introduction you made for this company to be here and working with us in this impressive way. Over the years, West China Cement and West International Holding have become key players in Africa's efforts to reach self-sufficiency in cement production. I commend you for your commitment to infrastructure development in our continent. Earlier, I had the opportunity to tour the AnJia factory. You have set the bar high in terms of quality, and we appreciate that. This state-of-the-art factory will contribute to Rwanda's transformation journey. We thank you and assure you that you have our country's full support. Today, growth prospects for Africa's cement industry look very promising. A rapidly growing and urbanizing population in Africa especially is creating increased demand for housing and infrastructure. For manufacturers, this means more opportunities to invest in new markets and create jobs in our communities. Challenges, of course, remain, but they can be overcome through more cooperation. To enhance the performance of the industry, it is essential to deliver higher quality products and shift to more sustainable manufacturing practices. Governments also have a responsibility to enact enabling investment policies. That's what we have been doing here in Rwanda for a number of years so far. Only then can we continue gaining ground to remove regulatory barriers, increase beneficial competition, and, of course, reduce prices. Ultimately, the end goal is to build a more connected Africa, which everyone can benefit from. The African Continental Free trade area is a valuable tool at our disposal, but we must, together, all of us, to unleash its full potential. Transformation takes time. We are united by a shared vision to close the infrastructure gap and improve standards of living. Let's continue building on this mindset. And once again, I would like to thank the People's Republic of China, West China Cement, and West International Holding for this significant contribution to Rwanda's development and Africa's as a whole. AnJia is undoubtedly a good addition to Rwanda's manufacturing landscape. I want to see success in this, our strong partnership. To our guests, I welcome you all to Rwanda, and I hope you are enjoying your stay with us and that you will soon visit again. I thank you once again for the invitation to join you today. I was happy to do so, and thank you for your kind attention.